Yes po. Let's go to mommy. Greet natin siyang happy birthday. Dali, let's go. Let's go. Ayun yung cake ni mommy, oh. Ayun, oh. Let's go. Halika na. Halika, dali. Puntahan natin si mami, dali. Dali. Dali, tara na. Tara. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Where is mommy? Happy birthday to you. Oh, sing mo na si mami, dali. Sing mo si mami. Cake. Oh, sing mo na si mami, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Sing. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy
Tayong
birthday.
cake.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Yay!
Takpan mo si Gerard, baka
Yes, baby.
Oh, wait lang. Ang galing naman. Clapping daw, clapping. O, di ba may posporo pa yan.
Thank you, Mami and baby. Wala kayo aga-aga.
Yay! O, kanta na, baby. Sing na. Sing na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy.
Malamang pinalakpan ka.
Malamang. Taga-palakpak lang pala si Miela. Picture natin. Picture. Okay, one more. And ready. Doon tayo anak sa kabila. O, sing mo na si mami.
Oh, you sing daw. Sing happy birthday to you. Oh, sing.
You sing na.
Mommy.
Yes.
Good happy birthday. Good happy birthday.
Oh!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, baby.
How?
Okay na daw mag-blow.
Yay! Oh, let's blow the candle.
Oh, wish.
Wish mo na si Mami.
Now, cake. Now, cake.
Oh, blow na. Blow na kayong dalawa ni mami. Dali, blow. 1,
1,
2, 3, blow! Ay, po! Ay.
good job!
Ang galing-galing naman.
Thank you, Mommy.
Happy birthday
Love you.
to you. Happy
Love you too.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh. Sabi ni Miela. Sabi ni Miela, nakakapayak pala yung kanta ko.
Mommy,
Yes.
mommy,
Yes. Say, Mommy, why cry? Mommy, why cry?
Inawanan mo pa.
Why cry?
Inawanan mo pa ako.
happy birthday to you.
Sabi niya, kanta ako ng kanta para sa akin. Hindi pa rin ako nakakakain. Sabi niya, hindi pa ba yung kakainin? Pagod na ako kumanta, sabi ni Miela. You want cake? Ha? You want cake? O, dito tayo sa balcony
Yes,
kain.
baby. I love you. I love you.
Look, you. See, I treat you.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Yung pala naman ang tama eh. Mali pala naman si Mami La eh. Oh, ayan. Dahil birthday daw ni Mami. Ni Mami May niya. Magja-Jollibee daw si
Ano
Miela.
siya, si Quincy? Mami May.
Ano ba yan?
Ay, lumilipad naman yung daddy finger mo.
You are you. See,
Si Daddy Finger pala yan.
chicken.
Dalawang pineapple, ma'am. Isang large pineapple.
Hi. Wow, fries. Alam niyo yung fries niya eh. Ito yung fries. Ito yan. Alam niya eh.
Tatlong chicken with spaghetti, ma'am. Dalawang soup, isang fish meal ka pa. Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po daw.
Say bye. 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 Say bye. Bye. Thank you. Say thank you, ate.
Cute.
At dahil si Miela po ay atat-atat na sa cake,
Ito.
ano ba yan? May plastic.
Yummy.
Ayaw niyang kutsilihin ko yung cake. Anong gagawin?
Yummy.
Yeah. Yummy daw. Siyempre, kailangan natin kutsiluhin yung cake.
Cake.
Mm.
Cake.
Nak!
Yes.
Alis siya.
What happened?
Ang galing. Ayaw niya ipakutsilyo. Ayaw niya ipakutsilyo. Tingnan mo. Ikaw na.
Oh, let's
Masarap ba icing?
want mommy to slice the cake. Mom, want mommy to slice the cake? Huh? Wow.
Masarap kaya yan? Yan
Slice
natin.
the cake. Slicing the cake. Slicing the cake.
Nga, masarap talaga ang ano, lemon square.
Slicing the cake.
Alam mo, pinagpipilian ko yung iba't ibang ano, lalo yung mga sikat na bilihan ng cake.
Ang hirap naman palang umupo dito.
Malamang. Wow! Ang galing naman ng baby namin. Oh.
Kaya ka.